I'm getting older, which is a challenge, but I don't want to give up any of the fun stuff. One of my favorite things to do is to play ice hockey, and I play in a league up in Park City. And as of late, I've gone over to the pickleball universe, and pickleball is so much fun. It has become just a true joy. I've always heard amazing things about Intermountain, and when I had my first replacement, my shoulder replacement, I developed a relationship with the folks at Tosh, in particular Jeremy and Wendy down in the physical therapy room, and you find out that a great doctor is one portion, but rehab is such an important part of any orthopedic issue. The process of joint replacement has gotten so much better. It is uncomfortable and there is some annoyance, but it's not as difficult as you imagine. You go into that knowing that there's going to be a good outcome. And so I think the stigma is that it's very difficult. You'll be in the hospital. Now it's same-day surgery. In the last 10 years, I've had my shoulder replaced, my hip replaced, both my knees replaced. And then recently, however, my family physician said I wasn't doing as well as she'd like, just didn't seem to be at the top of my game, and had me do a couple tests and found out that I had an ascending aortic aneurysm. So I met with Dr. Osland and his team, and they said that they were very lucky to catch it. And so I had open heart surgery. I don't think you're kind of aware of how big an operation that is, but it's a team working with you and are there to really help you get through a tough situation. Everyone at IH is kind of goal-oriented, and the patient success is their most important thing. And when you finish up, in my case, after a replacement or an injury or open heart, you know, you feel that enthusiasm. People know that they're excited for you. You know, you don't want to ever start to slow down. You want to keep doing things, and if my health continues to be good, I don't see any reason to slow down at all. Intermountain, you've given me my life back. I've been there now for 6 surgeries, the rehabs after, and I couldn't be happier with each and every person in Intermountain. Now I'm relatively pain-free, doing things that most 60-year-olds don't get to do. So that's pretty darn great.